Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn household items. Are you ready? Let's start. Bed. Bed. Chair. Chair. Cupboard. Cupboard. Curtain. Curtain. Lamp. Lamp. Mirror. Mirror. Shelf. Shelf. Sink. Sink. Table. Table. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Great job, kids! Now let's play a game. Look carefully and guess. Which one is the bed? Bed. Which one is the chair? Chair. Which one is the cupboard? Cupboard. Which one is the curtain? Curtain. Which one is the lamp? Lamp. Which one is the mirror? Mirror. Which one is the shelf? Shelf. Which one is the sink? Sink. Which one is the table? Table. Which one is the wardrobe? Wardrobe. Great job, kids! You did amazing! See you next time! Bye-bye!